All right, I'm going to show you how to delete emails on Android. This is easy, but you'll want to make sure you understand the behavior of your email app. Most apps handle this in a similar way, and I'll show you two popular ones, Gmail and Outlook. Let's look at Gmail first. I can go to my inbox, tap and hold any message, and a little trash can appears on top of my screen. I can tap that and the message gets deleted. If I wanted to batch delete several emails at once, I can tap and hold, and then tap the little round picture next to the email to select multiple emails. Hit the trash can, and into the trash they go. One thing to note is that those emails are technically still on my phone. If I open the sidebar and navigate down to my trash, you'll see that the emails that I deleted are still here. Anything you delete will be kept here for 30 days in case you need to revisit anything. After that, they get permanently deleted. And if you want, you can manually empty the trash so everything gets wiped clean immediately. Another way to clean up your inbox is to swipe. You can swipe left or right, and the email gets archived. This doesn't delete them, but it removes them from your inbox. Good for the type of clutter you don't want to see, but don't want to fully delete either. If you need to access anything that was archived with the swipe gesture, you can open the sidebar and then switch your view from the primary mailbox to the all mail. Mine looks kind of messy, so I'm not going to take you there, but everything will still be there and you can find it using the search if needed. Now let's do the same in Outlook. Almost identical here. Tap and hold, and you can delete a message. Tap the icon on the left and you can select multiple emails to be deleted. Hit the trash can and into the trash they go. Outlook has a similar swipe feature for archiving. Swipe left and the email gets archived. If you swipe right, you can set a custom function, which is kind of nice. You can customize both swipe gestures and set them to archive, delete, snooze, or do other similar functions. If I tap my profile in the top left corner, I can switch from my inbox to the archive or to my deleted emails folder. Deleted stuff works the same as Gmail. Everything goes here and clears after a certain time. How long exactly, that depends on your account type, but if you want, you can clear these manually, and that's how you delete emails. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.